After sailing the world for 3 years and so many adventures going through 26,000 nautical miles, our journey on our beautiful catamaran took us to 50 countries, an uncountable number of islands, and 2 ocean crossings. We then have decided to slow down for a little bit and enjoy life and family on land. We bought a barge project to fit out ourselves. We are 21 weeks into the project, doing all the work, and we reckon we still have another 8 to finish. We are going to the water in May, but we already have a new adventure ahead of us. The plans are boiling in our heads, and we can't wait to tell you more. Follow us on this crazy life we have decided to live. We are definitely not sitting on the couch to watch TV. Life has so much more to offer, and we are picking up all the opportunities.